Can AI ever replace your therapist? Today, tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are changing how we think about mental health. But is it safe or even possible to let AI sit in your therapist's chair? I'd love to know what you think. Would you ever trust AI to be your therapist? Tell me in the comments below. As a psychologist, I have noticed a shift. Clients, friends, or even strangers online are now turning to AI tools for quick advice. And I understand why. They're available 24/7, they don't judge, and they respond almost immediately. So at 2 a.m., when I'm feeling lonely or anxious, even a chatbot can feel like great company. But here's the truth. While AI does sound intelligent, it is still not human. It cannot feel your pain. It cannot understand the tremors in your voice when you talk about something difficult. It cannot hold space for the silences that sometimes speak more than words. Therapy is not only about answers, it is about presence. What is AI missing? In real therapy, some of the biggest breakthroughs happen in the unsaid moments. A pause, a look of understanding, or the safety of knowing that you can freely emote yourself, cry, be upset, or just choose to sit in silence, and you will still be held. AI cannot hold space for that. These tools can't sense when your words don't match your emotions. So AI can't understand when you say, I can't breathe. It can't differentiate between, are you inching towards a panic attack, or it is something else. It doesn't realize when you say, I am done, it could mean being done in a marriage or being done with other chapters of your life. I've had clients come to me after weeks of using AI tools. Some said that it helped them to write or express their thoughts better, and others came back feeling emptier because while AI was able to give them intelligent responses, they felt like it was completely missing the context. And context is everything in therapy. The tone of your voice, your body language, the facial expressions, your family dynamics, your culture, all of this matters, and AI simply cannot process all the layers. Second, therapy is human and relational. Therapy is not just about you in isolation, it's about your relationships. Relationships with people around you, relationships with the world. The unspoken resentments between people, the cultural expectations from family, or the power dynamics that play out at work that we don't always comfortably talk about. So while AI may help you with quick coping tips for any of these situations, it does not know your story. It does not know the journey that you are coming with, the ways in which your childhood impacts the choices that you make, or how your self-esteem issues are impacting or sabotaging other aspects of your life. A real therapist is not just offering strategies, they are offering a relationship that notices your blind spots, that challenges you gently, and that celebrates your growth on the way. Healing happens not just in the words exchanged between therapists and clients, but in the connection that is built over time. And no algorithm can replace that. Third, let's understand how AI can actually help. Now, I am not against AI. I actually think that AI can support mental health if used wisely. They can be great as a journaling partner. It can help you to reflect and organize your thoughts. For someone who has not been to therapy before, it can ease out conversations about mental health. It can help you with daily simple coping strategies or even help you manage your time better. It could help you with some breathing exercises or some basic mindfulness tools. But let's be clear, AI is a tool, it's not a therapist. So you can look at it like a mirror. It helps you to reflect back, very well though. It gives you what you put in, but it cannot hold you when you feel like you're breaking. It cannot guide you through the complex, messy, sometimes deeply human parts of healing. So here's my take on it. Use AI, but use it wisely. Use it to reflect, use it to write, use it to learn, or organize your time better. But don't rely on it for deep, hard, emotional, transformative work of therapy. Because algorithm does not heal. Healing happens in real connection. If this perspective resonated with you, then subscribe to this channel for more conversations around mental health and how to navigate through it in today's world. And before you leave, don't forget to tell me in the comments below, Would you ever trust AI as your therapist?